Welcome to Harshada Holidays. Today, we are taking you on a virtual journey to the breathtaking island of Sri Lanka. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty, Sri Lanka offers a plethora of incredible destinations. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list of the 10 best places to visit in Sri Lanka. Number 10, the Dambula Cave Temple, nestled in Sri Lanka, is an extraordinary site that exudes a sense of profound history and spirituality. Often called the Golden Temple of Dambula, it showcases a magnificent complex of caves carved into the rocks. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by a mesmerizing display of over 150 Buddha statues, each radiating a serene presence. The intricate murals that adorn the cave walls vividly depict the life of Buddha, leaving you in awe of the artistry and devotion. Number 9, Trincomalee, located on the northeastern coast of Sri Lanka, is a hidden gem for travelers seeking a unique and unforgettable experience. This coastal town boasts pristine beaches, rich cultural heritage, and diverse marine life. Visitors can unwind on the soft sands of Nilaveli Beach or Uppuveli Beach, where crystal clear waters invite them for a refreshing swim or a relaxing sunbath. The city's historical sites, including the iconic Koneswaram Temple and Fort Frederick, offer glimpses into its storied past. Number 8, Mirissa, is an absolute gem nestled along the southern coast of the island. It's a place that captures the heart of beach lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. The beaches in Mirissa are simply breathtaking, with their golden sands and crystal clear turquoise waters that invite you to take a dip or catch a wave while surfing. The sunsets here are truly magical, painting the sky with vibrant hues as you unwind and soak in the tranquility. Main tourist highlights is the chance to embark on whale and dolphin watching tours, where you can see these creatures in their natural habitat. Mirissa's laid-back vibe and its sheer natural beauty make it the perfect destination for those seeking a rejuvenating beach getaway. Number 7, Gal is a coastal treasure nestled on the southern shores of Sri Lanka. The UNESCO World Heritage Site of Gal Fort is a captivating labyrinth of cobblestone streets adorned with boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes. Beyond the fort, the pristine beaches of Gal, like the idyllic Unaftuna, invite you to bask in the sun and surrender to the rhythm of the waves. As the iconic Gale Lighthouse stands tall, it serves as a reminder of the city's rich maritime heritage. Number 6, Sigiriya, a mesmerizing wonder nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka, tells an enchanting tale of ancient ingenuity. The soaring Sigiriya rock fortress, like a majestic sentinel, emerges dramatically from the verdant landscape. As you ascend its ancient steps, you'll be greeted by mesmerizing frescoes that whisper stories of the past, while the imposing Lion Gate commands reverence. Reaching the summit, you'll be rewarded with sweeping vistas that steal your breath away, offering a glimpse into the awe-inspiring beauty that surrounds this historic marvel. Sigiriya's fusion of rich history, architectural prowess, and natural splendor creates an immersive experience that transports you to an era of grandeur, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. Number 5, Yala National Park, nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka, is a true heaven for those who cherish the beauty of wildlife. Its pristine wilderness is a sanctuary for an astonishing array of creatures, from regal elephants to elusive leopards, and from playful sloth bears to a vibrant chorus of birds. As you venture through its vast grasslands, dense forests, and tranquil lagoons, you'll be immersed in a thrilling safari experience like no other. Number 4, Ela, located in the beautiful hill country of Sri Lanka, is a charming and idyllic town that captivates visitors with its natural splendor. Surrounded by lush tea plantations and majestic mountains, Ela offers breathtaking views at every turn. The highlight of the town is the iconic Nine-Arch Bridge, a marvel of engineering nestled in a picturesque valley. Hiking enthusiasts can embark on scenic treks to popular viewpoints like Little Adams Peak and Ela Rock, while adventure seekers can enjoy adrenaline-pumping activities like ziplining and waterfall rappelling. With its serene atmosphere, stunning landscapes, and adventurous spirit, Ela is a must-visit destination that will leave you in awe of Sri Lanka's natural wonders. Number 3. Nuwara Eliya, a captivating town nestled amidst misty hills in Sri Lanka, feels like a hidden piece of England in the heart of the tropics. Its rolling emerald green hills, adorned with charming colonial architecture, create a mesmerizing setting. The cool climate adds to its unique charm. Renowned for its tea plantations, Nuwara Eliya treats visitors to breathtaking views of expansive tea gardens that stretch across the horizon. A must-visit is the Sita Temple, believed to be the place where Sita was held captive in the Ramayana. Nuwara Eliya is a tranquil retreat that enchants with its quaint appeal and stunning natural beauty, providing a getaway that feels like stepping into a peaceful world. Number 2. Kandy is a city blend of cultural richness and natural splendor. Regarded as the country's cultural capital, Kandy is revered for its centerpiece, the Temple of the Tooth Relic. This sacred UNESCO World Heritage Site holds a revered relic of the Buddha, drawing pilgrims and curious visitors alike. The city's idyllic landscapes are adorned with the serene Kandy Lake, offering a peaceful oasis in the heart of the bustling town. Number 1. Colombo, the vibrant capital city of Sri Lanka, is a captivating hub that seamlessly blends its historical past with modernity. Its streets are a delightful mix of old-world charm, where colonial-era architecture coexists harmoniously with sleek skyscrapers. The bustling markets are a treasure trove of vibrant colors and flavors, reflecting the city's cultural diversity. Whether you are craving mouth-watering street food or looking for high-end culinary experiences, Colombo's food scene caters to every taste bud. Exploring the city reveals a tapestry of experiences, from ancient temples and captivating museums to leisurely walks along the scenic waterfront. Colombo is a captivating destination that showcases the vibrant spirit of Sri Lanka and offers something for everyone to cherish.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.